Autodesk Vault helps you manage your design and engineering data and improves the way teams collaborate on product development. Let's take a look at what's new in the Vault 2022 release. With our Vault Professional 2022 release, there's an improved browser experience available. Using the browser-based Thin client, there's no need to install software to your desktop. You only need your Vault's URL and your login information. The Vault browser experience provides a convenient way to collaborate with your colleagues using only your familiar web browser. The browser interface makes finding and viewing your vaulted data quick and easy. You can navigate workspaces like folders, items, and change orders, and open file previews in the viewer with just a few clicks. Over the years, one of the most highly requested features in Autodesk Inventor is to capture a model in multiple manufacturing stages, simplified versions of designs, or design families without separate files for each configuration. Model states allow you to define a model with multiple variants without the overhead of many additional files being created or managed separately. Vault has been fully enhanced to support this new capability in Inventor. The Vault 2022 release marks the next step forward with user management enhancements for CAD administrators. Many of these administration enhancements came directly in response to your feedback through the Autodesk community. There is now one interface for managing users and groups, a friendly display name, the addition of a new authentication account, editing profile attributes, and more. All of these enhancements mean quicker deployment and lower maintenance. The Autodesk Vault mobile app gives you the flexibility to access and work with your vaulted design and engineering data on your mobile device. Use a Vault mobile app to search Vault, view and review designs, check out and check in non-CAD data. Use a Vault mobile app to search Vault, view and review designs, check out and check in non-CAD data, view bill of material items, change lifecycle states, and create and participate in change orders. Take your design data with you onto the shop floor, on-site, or out to meet your customer. The Vault mobile app makes it easier to stay up to date on your projects and collaborate with your team when you're away from your desktop computer. Manage your engineering data efficiently, improve collaboration with your teams, and take control of your product development process with Autodesk Vault 2022.